Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Story that will shake you and shock you. An attempt of Nara Bali Human Sacrifice was foiled at Chichonya. 2 arrested, 75-year-old lady rescued. ₹4 crore per month needed to provide special financial package to the barge owners. Government has to make provision during budget. BJP workers attack a video journalist while shooting visuals of BJP state president's car parked in no parking zone. BJP activist displays arrogance of power. Congress comes down heavily on BJP. Hearing on Goa mining petition not expected to come before Supreme Court during this week. Green bench of the Supreme Court likely to change after 20th March. Says Goa pays 100 crores of stamp duty. And judo team of visually impaired put up heartwarming display. Coach R.V. Shintre and association officials determined to take Goa team to next level. And now the news in detail. This is the story that will shake your soul and shock your conscience. An attempt of Nara Bali Human Sacrifice was foiled at Chichonya on Tuesday. Kunkare police have arrested 2 persons in this connection. Antoinette Souza from Chichonya complained that one Felix Fernandez had threatened her that he would slit her throat and bury her as an act of human offering. Sources say that the attempt was made to recover hidden treasure from the 75-year-old woman.
Have a look at this, an act that would have ultimately ended up in burying a woman alive inside her own house. An inhuman, barbaric act of Nara Bali. Nara Bali is a human sacrifice, and it is believed that Nara Bali gave some evil powers. Have a look, this peat would have turned into a grave. These corks were also found in the room. Moreover, there were many other items found in the room which are used for evil rituals. The rooms were locked. The whole incident took place at Chichonya in Kunkare, at the residence of Antoinette Souza. She is a 75-year-old lone lady residing in the house. She complained that her far-off relative Felix Fernandez threatened her to kill and bury in the pit.
मुझे गुंगुट कातो थी अने ओथी अने माक पुत थी तिंगा ओय त्यान सांगेला यांकेला सगळे मा कोसोन दोला 2-3-4 दीस ओसोण्या
Antoinette Souza was adopted by Costa family in Chichonya. She stayed in their house for past many years.
जालें एकलो फेलिक्स फेर्नांदीस म्हूण पयस सोयरो दरेपेन आमगे येयलो आनी म्हणूंक लागलो तुमी रावता आपूण एक दीस रावता आनीक म्हळ्यार यो वच आमी येता तेजे यो सोयऱ्या योच म्हणून तरी म्हणूंक लागलो आपूण आपणाक चड हुशार मारलो सायबीण हाडपाक सायबीण हाडटा म्हणलो बरें तूं बरें जाता जाल्यार आमी म्हणलें सायबीण हाड तूं हाडटरी एक दीस रावती रावता मागीर भायर सरोन जालो.
Felix was a suspicious character in the village too.
तो आपणा मायक बाय भयणीक भावाक आनी कोणा वचना तो कोणाली घरां भाटां नाय तिंका चोवपा भोंवता आनीक ती लोक भाटां बिटां एकठांय करता आनी एक पाट म्हणटालो तो म्हाका हिंगा हे एक आपण घर चोयला फ्रेडी तूं येवन 2 दीस राव थिंगा त्या घरा कडेन यो आपल्या सायबिणी आहा कोरया बी म्हूण आपूण ताका जिती मातलो आनी ते घर हांव भिलो जिती मातो म्हणून म्हणटा हांव भिलो आनी ते घर आपणाय जातलें तुका आपूण कितें जातलो हांवें सांगलें म्हाका नाका हेजे केस घेजे आनी एका सारको एक आज हाफ मर्डर एका हात तो फोंड मारले एक गोळे मार बरोबर.
The act of killing an old lady was foiled only after a small boy entered the house while playing. We contacted PR of Kunkari, who refused to speak on camera but informed that investigation is on. Samir Bhatt from Kunkari for Prudent.
Government has to make provision of additional 4 crore rupees per month to provide special financial package to the barge owners. Government has to make special provision in the upcoming budget for the same. Barge owners met Parikar on Monday. Government will have a meeting with banks on Saturday on loan restructuring.
Please waive off the interest. Second important thing is waiving of the loans, but that can wait. First thing जर हे जर जालें आनी बँकांक जर कळलें की बाबा इंटरेस्ट गव्हर्नमेंट फारीक करपाक तयार आसा जाल्यार the loans restructuring can be done easily by them. Whatever कितें जाला पळय Prime Minister कडेन, that we have conveyed to Chief Minister, so that he should take decisions faster and start mining what you call export of dumps also should be allowed. Prime Minister request केल्ले कि you must declare Goa as a affected area. But त्या एरियान कितले business आसता पळय, then the banks get a blanket permission to restructure the loans. So one more thing what we are told him is that in case the business is going to start, the bus tax should not be charged to us. See, third करून आता आमचे loan आसा ते 363 crores loan आसा. But to be on a safer side, you can say 4 crores per month outer limit. So what CM said is that I will call the meeting of the bankers. So I think he has called. वैसे शनिवार meeting त्यांनी आपयल्या.
This is how they behave when the party is in power. A BJP worker attacked a video journalist and reporters who were shooting visuals of BJP state president's car parked in no parking zone in Panji. The Gunda activists not only threatened the journalist but also badmouthed them. Congress has criticized this arrogance of the BJP heavily.
This was a scene outside BJP's office in Panji on Monday. Soon after the BJP's media briefing, one of the video journalists from a channel noticed that BJP state president's car is parked in no parking zone. He took visuals on his camera. There were other media persons too. Suddenly, one of the BJP workers got irritated and entered into argument with the media man. He also attacked one of the media persons. He used all the possible bad words.
तू प्रेसिडेंटाची गाडी पार्किंग करता हे ते कितें अरे
तुझ्याकडे कॅमेरा सॉरी टू हिम फास्ट पहिलो से सॉरी
म्हटलं सॉरी म्हटलं काय त्याला सॉरी म्हटलं बय
डोंट मिसबिहेव
हांव ताका विचारतालो
मीडियाक हात लावपाचो तुका अधिकार ना तुझे कितें आसा कंप्लेन पुलिशेक आपोवन घे
Taking note of this incident, Congress spokesperson Alex Regina Lawrence has hit back at the BJP, claiming that there is no democracy left in the state.
Democracy नष्ट करपाची काल एविडेंट जालें ऑफ द BJP परिवर्तन गव्हर्नमेंटाचें. जेन्ना एक हांव सदां सांगतालो की जेन्ना कोणूच आमी आमची प्रेस घेतलें, काँग्रेसाचे कोणें प्रेस घेतलें, आमी केन्ना प्रेसा पयलीं फोन मारनात. आमी ते पेपराचेर येवपाक दितात आनी मागीर वी गिव अ रिप्लाय.
Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Government has cleared dismissal of Chrisley Fernandez, the controversial lecturer in Dental College. There were many allegations against him, including misconduct, low performance and harassment of students. He was working in the dental college for the last 2 years. The order was issued. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.